What's good, Rambo gang? It's your boy Rambo back at you with another one. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but as y'all can hear, I'm driving in Rambo, as y'all can see. But right now, I'm on the way to First Auto Repair Off-Road so they can look at my horn again. It's blowing the regular horn before I blow the train horn. Like, when I hit the horn, blow the train horn, it's blowing the regular horn first. And I don't want that to happen, so they're going to look at the wiring, see what they can do, manipulate a little bit. But yeah, before we get into this, make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, man, like it, man. We need the views and the subscribers to go up. It's free support, it ain't hard to do. But oh yeah, there's no more intro for a little while because you know how YouTube able to copyright and whatnot. But it will be a new intro shot soon. We just gotta find time to shoot it. But yeah, man. So yeah, I'm about 10-15 minutes out right now, depending on how slow this person in front of me wants to drive. But yeah, I should be there in about 10-15 minutes. I'll see y'all there in a minute. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we are now here. First Auto Repair Off-Road. We about to get this thing looked at right quick. I need to get my phone. Even though it's about to die. But hey, there's a Chevy out here. It got the rims that I'm looking at getting, and I think they're 14 watts. Like, yeah, I am looking at getting a set of 14 watts for the truck. So I'm stuck between Hard Rocks and TIS. These, they kind of look like this. These 24s, I actually like the 24 volt. Alright, y'all, we're on the way to the back right now. But I'm gonna show y'all this beefy GMC that I talked to the guy, and he's actually selling his rims. So like, yeah, this is it right here. Sponsored by TIS. He got a whole lot of sponsors. I love that. I can't wait to my truck with the 14. But yeah, oh, these are new ones. I think. Yeah, these are new. Oh, these are a new set that's on it. These are the new set of rims that are on this one. Got the gold trim on the inside. Ooh, these things so nice. He getting ready for shows. He getting ready for his tour. He got a tour coming up starting at the end of December. I mean February. I don't know how to say this. But yeah, he has tour starting there. He actually has his own set of rims and tires for sale. So if y'all interested in those, hit me up. I'll get y'all in contact with him. But I might just walking around. I really ain't got much to do. Oh my god. Bruh. This thing beautiful right here. That's exactly how I'm gonna be sitting in my next one. Exactly how I'm gonna be sitting. Alright, man, let me stop flipping around. Let me go ahead and talk to him right quick. So, now he's looking at it. Oh, you gotta push like hard at the top for the battery one to work. Yeah.
So they didn't hook this separately?
They didn't hook this button though. They just said they just put it.
So you hit this to make the horn button?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna work both of them, of course. You know? No, I'm saying when you hit this, practically it's gonna work. You know what I mean? I don't know why they didn't separate this.
I don't know.
Let me see.
Yeah, see. As y'all can see, we're still trying to figure this thing figured out. So we gotta get some tools and look at it. I had to do a little wardrobe change because, you know, work and whatnot. Are these TIS stuff? I'm not gonna look. Let's see these TIS. Because if so, I actually like the way these look. And they're not too bad. But they look like the ones from TIS though. Yeah, they're not. Because I'm about to go TIS 14 watts. I don't know if I'm going to go 20 by 14 or 24 by 14. I'm looking at both. My spot's no car put over here yet. It's a shop, so they can't really. It's a shop, so they can't really give me a ticket out here. But man, it's my next baby right here. Y'all tell me, should I go black or should I go the same blue? That one will be coming in. That will be coming in by next year. So mark my words, I will be getting that one by next year. 2,500, because I need something to pull this. And I will have a trailer by then too, so. Okay, I'm about to get off here and put on my jacket because this wind. I ain't playing with nobody out here. Alright, hold on.
You got a remote for this too?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it shows to wire it up.
Oh wow.
So you have work that. And plus with the hookup to here. Yeah, remote might not work. That's how it shows it, you know?
Do a little wire manipulation. I wonder these 14 wires, do they have spacers? These are so I can't wait to get now. I love the way this looks. I don't think they have spacers in them. Can't really see. Can't really see if they got spacers. I think they don't. I don't think they do. I wonder what the negative is on this. They're gonna say on the back of the ring. I wonder what the offset is on this. Probably negative 76. But 24 is like that. I wonder what 22 is like. I'm gonna field trip. I'm gonna field trip out here. This is how big 22 is. These are 20s. These are 20s. My ones are bigger than those. These are like 24s. They got the Fox shocks. Yeah, these are. Oh, these 22s. Oh yeah, 22s are beefy. 22s are wet. So yeah, I'm going 22 by 14. TIS, I'm coming. I'm about to throw some red in for accent color. And then I might do a red 2500. What y'all think, man? Tell me in the comments. Y'all can DM me. Let me know, man. Y'all let me know what I should do, man. Oh my bad, I forgot to give y'all an update what he said. Like, so with the wireless adapter that I have to my horn, it wouldn't work. Like, that's where it showed the wired up. So I was using a regular horn to blow the train horn, but yeah, so they gotta fix that, and I'm probably gonna play that. Yeah, so Yeah, that's what driving truck took that. Get some more wiring in it. Cut some wires out. But honestly, I don't really need the wireless thing anymore because I really think I broke it. So yeah, that was but that GMC is just so nice. And get show ready. But like I told you, his the old rims are on sale. So if you're interested in his old rims, just DM me, hit me up, comment below, and I'll get y'all in contact with him. I'm questioning when I get my new rims, should I sell my Mickey Thompsons? What y'all think? Y'all think I should sell my Mickey Thompsons? Or what? But this ram, I like the way this ram looks. I wonder how high it is. Probably like 10 inches. Let's go. Right now. We do the fire. Good turbo engine, okay. I'm always saying that that's how transmission over here. Yeah, a little wire manipulation. To the button now? Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good.
Let's try the motor. Is it a key on?
Huh?
Is it a key on?
Nice. So you gotta press it like extra, you gotta press that one like extra hard. Yeah, you gotta press it extra hard. I don't know why.
Okay, so that's off, okay?
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so this is working.
Okay, so it works either way now.
Yeah, well, you want the horn, just a quick switch.
Okay.
Okay? Make that work.
Okay.
But that always works.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Works for me?
But yeah, so hopefully your most of it should still work. All it is tapped it in, so
okay.
Your most should still work.
Oh, if not,
nah, it still works, but all I did was tap it in to me.
Oh, yeah. I think the wireless little key thing broke anyway. So.
Oh, really?
Like it cracked. I don't know how it cracked though. It's like I had to tape it back together.
Oh, damn.
It is what it is. It's only like $50.
Cool. You know, people tired up. Go right now.
Okay. All right. Oh wait. Gotta pull my truck out of here. It will be seeing me about a month anyway with the new tires. man, that's the end of this video. That's the end of this video. I gotta get to work. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like this video, man. I know it's a short one, but it's all good. Alright, y'all, I'm out. I gotta go to work. Peace.